turn it up.
Powerball ticket. No one won on Saturday. We are up to 155 million.
The destination is on your right.
How do you like that top?
Well, you clean that all out.
Yeah,
What's
sure
that
did.
in the corner?
That's the drain cover that you have there. That's like the
Oh.
sifter, the hair trap.
You know, this is broken. Can you get a whole new, this is not working. When I put the shower on, the water, some of the water is still.
You heard about the tub diverter?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can change that. Wow, look at this place.
I'm freaking calling you, he never answered the phone.
What a great job you did here.
Who? Yeah, I did with the place.
Oh yeah, nice work. Nice. So I'm gonna.
That's the shit that he messed up.
Who messed up?
Says guys. And he said he was gonna replace that. Says.
The shower head?
Yeah, because they had when it was working, he knows about it. They took it out. You see, they had it on the ground and not supposed to be down. That's how when the guys paint, they
Well, I'll
paint.
fix it. I'll fix it. Make it all work beautifully, and I'll shine it up and nice. And if it doesn't look perfect,
Okay,
then
okay. If you want to do that, I give it an option.
very crafty.
Yeah, so I did that. This thing is not easy. You gotta be careful with this shit. I can see why you guys don't want to do it. Because you break this freaking
Right.
you know what happened.
I've
Yeah.
heard.
So at least you have a good excuse not to do that. Yeah.
You didn't break it, did you? No. Okay, good.
No, everywhere. The other bathroom doing both.
I've heard, and then the tile was discontinued in Italy. They could never get any more pieces. I've heard the stories before.
Yeah,
Okay, we'll document it. Have that.
what is that? You hear a little sound there? Yeah.